we're going to the games. Yeah. I'm off to the Commonwealth Games. Today is day 5, I think. Oh, let me take out this chewing gum. Bad manners. Hold on. Yeah. So Leisa had applied for tickets to the Commonwealth Games. Didn't have a clue that she would get through. Went to bed last night. Took her phone, checked emails, and found we have tickets. 7 tickets. Eh? Yeah. 7 tickets, but unfortunately the tickets are for today. We only saw last night that we got through, so only Julian and I can make it. So I'm going to be in the stands. It's track and fields. The morning session passed this morning and we're off to the afternoon session, so it starts at 6 or 6:30, but the gates open from 4:30, so we'll be there in the stands. I'll try to show you as much as I can. Originally I didn't really plan to go because I don't like those big crowds, 1. 2, I'm not sure about the transportation. We don't want to drive, and we're not so sure about the bus and the routes and which bus to take to go where and so on. But I think given the opportunity to go, and so many people wanted tickets and didn't go or didn't get them, I think we should make use of at least 2 of them. So we're going to go. We'll be in the stands. We'll be cheering. Oh, let me show you what's in my bag. Same little bag. Yeah. I've got my phone. Can't leave out this one. That's gonna be me in the stands. My flag. Little piece of tissue just in case. A bottle of water. That would be needed. I've already had lunch. I don't think I want to buy anything there either. It's going to be very expensive because, of course, Birmingham wants to make a profit, or at least wants to make back some of the money that it spent in getting the place ready for these games. There's Leisa in the background. Paperwork to do, computer work, and also watching. There's another World Championships, Under 20 World Championships happening in Colombia. I've got my DJI Osmo Pocket camera as well. That didn't fail me the last time, so I'm taking that again. And what else is in my bag? Oh, that was a straw, and I've got some masks as well. So I'm going. I'm hoping to see at least a few of the athletes that I know. Oh, I don't know if I should say it here, but Asafa Powell. I've seen that his name is on the list of Jamaican athletes who are coming to Birmingham. Shelly-Ann didn't run this morning, but we're told, well, the presenter said she is in Birmingham, so we're hoping to see her sometime this week. If not today, live, maybe tomorrow on TV, I don't know. I did see Tom Sahara run this morning and she won her heats. So that's all exciting, things to look forward to. Come with us. I forgot to say, guys, that if you are a sports fanatic or you just want to cheer your country on, make sure you have one of the country's tops. You know, a Jamaican top would look really nice now, but I haven't got one that fits anymore, sadly. So this is the closest thing I could find, but it's gonna do the job. It's nice and cool, it's nice and airy. It does look a little bit cloudy and we are promised a little rain today, but other than that, it's really warm and nice. I'll bring a little jacket, a light jacket with me, just in case. See you there. Let's put a pause on that, guys. I come bearing really bad news. This is the day after the event. This is day 6. I went to the athletics on day 5. Got really good footage. Had a really good time. It was awesome. It was amazing. Cheered till I almost lost my voice, and then got ready this morning to put the footage from the camera. The camera has a small SD card. This is it. I don't know if you can see it, but it has this SD card and then a card reader. So I took the card out. This is my usual card reader that I put into that small slot there, and for some reason this morning I turned the thing the wrong way and pushed it in and damaged it. So I think I've lost all the footage. In fact, this is the SD card that I started using on our trip to Jamaica in May. So everything from May to now I've lost. I don't know if somebody knows of some other way that I can get the footage of this. Please help. Please tell me. I don't know what else to do, but it's embarrassing as well because I had so much footage that I wanted to share. I did use my phone to take a little bit of footage on the way in the stands and so on. But most of what I wanted to show, the big massive stadium, how things have developed, the crowd, people from all over the world cheering to my Jamaican athletes, I've lost all of that. I'm really sorry. I really truly am sorry. Anyway, right here I'm going to insert, if it will work, whatever footage I have I took on my phone. I hope you enjoy it and please forgive me. So now I need a new SD card. I think the machine is working. The reader is fine. I just need a new SD card. And we'll go again. I learned from my mistakes. Don't be too eager. Don't push it too hard or turn it the wrong way. But enjoy. And thank you to our 2,503 subscribers while I'm doing this filming now. That's where we're at, and we're really grateful. Thank you so much, and we hope you enjoy your journey with us. Stay tuned. See you in the next clip. Bye. Oh.
Where were you this morning?
First gold medal on the track in the women's T37, T38 100 metres final. Stand by.
Answer parchment in this one. Answer parchment one.
Who got the top three automatically through to the final four. We're in the mix. Go to the final number 13.
In the women's T37, T38 1.
It really was a great day, and I want to say special congratulations to Birmingham and all those people who were involved in organizing and implementing this Commonwealth Games. It has been absolutely amazing. The organization is brilliant. You know, the volunteers really exceptional. So well done, Birmingham. Anyway, can anybody tell me who this young lady is in the middle with the mask on? I have no idea. But when the event finished, and the event didn't even finish, we left early, we saw some lovely cars pulling up, and then one of them had these Jamaicans come out of it, They were escorted by this gentleman on the right, and I was so eager and happy and excited to see them that I asked them if I could get a selfie with them. But guess what? They were so gracious. They did help me to get a selfie with them, but I have no idea who they are. Can you tell? So if you can tell who this young lady is with a mask on, I have no idea. That would be helpful. The lady beside her did ask me if I wanted her to take the photograph for me, and I said, no thank you, because I want all of you in the photograph. And she was gracious. She had a little laugh. But apparently the one in the mask is the athlete, but I don't know who she is. Anyway, I had a lovely time. It was beautiful, if I must say so myself. I had a blast. Sorry you didn't get to see all the action. You'll have to check on the BBC or somewhere else for footage of what happened on day 5 of the Birmingham Commonwealth Games 2022, because I did a rotten job of I did a great job of capturing the footage, but then I wasn't able to deliver it to you. Sorry guys, but thank you so much for having your faith and trust and belief in me. Love you. Bye.